I like the smaller, more efficient engines because you don't have to put much gas in it. It has more than enough power. It's more convenient to put in less gas, go on an adventure flight. The smoothness over a couple years, I'm still astounded how quiet it is. I go off throttle. Sometimes I wonder if it's even running. Traveling with the Atom 80 also is very simple. I really like the weight of it because I can put less fuel in it. The motor does not weigh very much at all. It makes takeoff and landings very easy. I would recommend the Atom 80 to new pilots and female pilots who don't want a lot of weight on their back. But at the same time, anybody can find good purpose in flying Atom 80 just because of its convenience and efficiency.